Enveloping website design. We're fervent believers that a two-dimensional website on its own is like an 8-track tape, or a fax machine. The days where you can simply have a static website, that's really just a brochure, is a task that's getting harder and harder to manage. If your opposition chooses to fabricate a three-dimensional website that resembles an immersive world complete with its own culture, how can you stand still? If you do decide to become stagnant instead of moving forward, you're going to give the competition the chance to build deeper relationships with your customers. This will give them the opportunity to explore other products in a manner that's new and interesting. The risk here is that they will decide to go with your competitor's solution instead of going with the one you offer. Engaging web design. Our take is that a 2D website by itself is just like a fax machine or an 8-track tape. The days where you can simply have a static website, that's really just a brochure, is a task that's getting harder and harder to manage. If your competition chooses to create a website that is more like a riveting and immersive virtual world that has its own culture, how can you then decide to stand still? If you do decide to become stagnant instead of moving forward, you're going to give the competition the chance to build deeper relationships with your customers. You will be allowing your customers to interact with other products in new and interesting ways and risk that they end up trying a different solution instead of going with yours. Exhibit your products. Use VR as a way to display your goods and services in a characteristic fashion that captivates your clientele. Virtual reality is the perfect preeminent medium to make virtual interiors that are graceful, heavenly, and tempting. Create an atmosphere that envelops your website and can help to make the products and services you offer all the more engaging and attractive. Build an assortment of details and layers into your virtual environment to help to express the excellency of the services and products you offer. What are you waiting for? Email us and let's get going on your job. VR for anyone. Portalis is committed to guaranteeing that VR is a medium that is open to everyone to experience and enjoy. Our goal is to make sure that it does not become a secret garden for the privileged. That's one of the main reasons we are so dedicated to making sure immersive virtual reality experiences are available to everyone through the web. Everyone using the internet has the capacity to utilize virtual reality to shop, learn, and be delighted.